Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your keyboard if it's not working in Steam games. First of all, open your computer's search and type CMD. Run it as administrator and click Yes to allow it. Once it's open, type msdt.exe -id keyboard diagnostic and press enter. A troubleshooter window will appear. Click Next and wait for it to detect any issues. If it finds something, it will try to fix it automatically. Another quick tip is to unplug your keyboard and plug it back in. Also, make sure your keyboard isn't accidentally in game mode, which can disable certain keys. If you're still having problems specifically in Steam games, open the Steam client and go to Settings from the top left menu. From there, click on the Downloads tab and select Clear Cache. Confirm the action, then sign back into Steam. This often solves the keyboard issue in games. And that's it. Following these steps should get your keyboard working again in Steam games. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips.